Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So in this video, I'm actually sharing my screen where I wanted to show you, I get questions all the time on leads. Where do I find leads and how do I do this where I don't have to spend as much money? So my passion is to show you things that I did to get my business well over into 15K a month within 12 months. And these are some of the actual things that I did, the actual websites that I've gone to. So we are now at dataaxlegenie.com. It is an actual database where you can do filters, which means you can set whatever you're looking for to find certain information. So we're looking for what we call, it's like business to business. So we're looking for B2B. B2C is business to customer, and of course, B2G is business to government. We're looking for B2B. Now we're going to come to dataaxlegenie.com, and you can see where you can get a free trial. You want to click onto there, fill in that information, submit it. And what's going to happen is they're going to send you a code where you can actually sign up, I think, for 3 days free. And I have no affiliation with them as far as receiving anything back from this, no affiliated type marketing. This is just something that I use to work well for me. I'm not one to spend money unless I absolutely have to. I want to buy the best equipment and the best supplies and pay my people the best salary. So I want to save the money when it comes to anything that I can do absolutely at low cost or no cost. So now we're on dataaxlegenie.com. We're going to go and get that free trial. And what you're going to do is you're going to filter down and look at what's in your area. If there's daycares and if there are HOA associations, but you can put all of this in. It actually gives you the size of the building and how many employees are there. And why is that so important? Because then you know that if you're looking for a medium-sized business, when I talk about you want your very first month to come out swinging with $2,500, if you're looking to get to 100,000 this year for 2022, you want to make sure that the very first month, your goal is to get $2,500. That's what you're looking for. And then the next month, you want to increase that by 20%. So you're at $3,000. So you inevitably want to start out as high as you can, doing it on your own, where you can do a $2,500 building by yourself. So this is going to help you because when you get into the free trial that lasts about 3 days, then you're going to be able to fit the calling sheet data that you're gathering, and you're able to call from there, because you need, when you're doing calls, marketing calls, you need a data sheet to call from, and you don't want to have to pay for one when at all possible. So you can use the dataaxlegenie.com, go to the free trial, fill everything in, and then it will walk you through setting up your filters. That's one great place to go. The next thing I suggest is Manta.com. Now, I love Manta because, as you see, Manta, you can put in your own business. You can put in what I'm looking for. So I'm going to put in, let's put in doctor's office, and we're going to put in, let's say, we're going to put in San Antonio. Oh, we'll put in Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas. So here's Dallas, Texas, and then we just simply search. Now, when we're doing this, you can see that all of these little pins are actual doctor's offices. So what you want to do is you want to look for one. And what I love about this, you could put your business on here. You simply go and create a business profile. And look how neat this is. It has a photo, has the name, it gives a rating, it gives the address, the phone number, and you can even visit the website. I love it because you can actually come, and all you have to do is you can copy and paste, just simply go like this, and you just scale all the way down, and voila, you are able to then, once you've scaled all the way down, like you see I did, I just highlighted it, it goes all the way down. I can then take this information, transfer it to a Word document, and hit paste. And I have an instant, nice little, like database I can call from. And I know all of these are doctors. And then I can easily come back up here and I can put in law offices or restaurants or anything I'm looking for in the Dallas area. And I can also use this for one other thing. I can use this to make phone calls So I can use my script that I gave you guys in the other video. If you haven't seen it, make sure it talks about the cold calls I actually did, or I can use this to mail out my golden ticket where I talk about the fact that you have won a golden ticket. I can use this for anything and I haven't paid $1. And you can also come on here and put your own business. So this is good for gathering data to market and make cold calls from a lead sheet that you don't have to pay for. Or you can also come on here and make sure you do this when it comes to your own business. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is yellowpages.com, which is another thing I love, because here you can come in here. It says what you're looking for. We'll say lawyers. And I've got this in Richmond, Virginia. We'll put find, and voila, it's going to come up once again. All I'm going to simply do here, it tells me how long they've been in business, gives me all that information. So all I'm going to do here once again is copy and paste and put that on a Word document. And I have a nifty information that I can use to do a call log for me on those Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, or I can physically go visit in person and give them the hi, I am here in the neighborhood and I am here to actually give you this coupon to use because you are selected as one of our prize companies that we're looking to do a walkthrough for. And if we are selected, which we're crossing our fingers we are, that we're going to then give you this coupon for a discounted service. So you want to make sure that you have your speech ready so that when you go in person or you call, you're good to go. But you've got all this information at your disposal and you haven't paid $1. Okay, so that's what I want you to look at doing. And the next time I'm going to show you where you want to go and list your company so the phone is ringing off the hook when it comes to you being in all these juicy spots that a lot of people don't know about, absolutely free. So it's directories that you can actually get listed on at no cost where people are then finding you. So I am so excited. I really, really, really hope that this helps you because the goal is to build that list so that you can make the calls and make that money. So this is what I actually use: Yellow Pages, Manta, and the other form, which was the Sales Genie, which now is called Data Axle Genie. That's the name of it. So looking forward to seeing you. If you want more information and all the things you can do to actually scale your business, your cleaning business, your facilities management business to 6 figures and beyond, then make sure you join me for one of my free master classes, because I look at doing that in 2 ways: one through government cleaning contracts, or doing it through commercial, or both. I've actually had success in building several businesses utilizing both of those methods, and I love to share it with you. So make sure you click to register for the free masterclass. We have limited space, and I look forward to seeing you there. So until the next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.